Finger Lakes area is a beautiful area to ride bikes in general.
It's an awesome, awesome place to experience the outdoors.
It's a biker's paradise. You can do any type of riding you want.
Whether it's gravel, mountain bike, road.
It's out here, the elements. It's free for all of us to experience it. Being out here and breathing the fresh air, it's just a wonderful thing.
I call it a playground around here. And it's still kind of a hidden gem.
You might only see a couple cars over 50 miles.
We just want to show off what we have, and we want to understand where you're coming from and what you're looking for.
You get a really good workout, and then you can come back and enjoy beer after. Lots of breweries, wineries, cideries. It's all the total package that makes the area special.
We consider this one of the premier, family-friendly, inclusive areas to go paddling and cycling in the country, if not the world.
There's such variety, and there's such diversity, and there's such inclusivity.
Perfect opportunity for families and friends to go out and enjoy the path on the bicycles together. And having this adaptive equipment just makes it that much more accessible for that group of people that haven't had that opportunity in the past.
And it's really a win-win situation where people can look at a fleet of cycles and say, Dad can use that one, the other parent can use this one, the children can use this one. And that's when you have truly equitable experiences in the outdoors, where people can find the equipment that they need for each member of their family or their friend group, and also match it with a knowledgeable provider that was expecting them on the day that they came.
Everybody is welcome. Everyone can ride. Everyone can do this, and we're excited about being advocates in the community and educating people on how they can do that.